Satnam, everybody. We got some questions about honey. So here are a few things about it. Honey is a very delicate, very important also food for yogis, but for everybody. Honey is giving us strength of cohesion, bringing things together. The bees, when they they are attracted by the nectar of plants, and the nectar is like this concentrated life and vitality that is from the earth, coming from the roots into the stem and the trunk of the flowers, the trees and everything. And this is what the bees, they are attracted to. This is this upward movement that is really the spine getting stronger and stretched. So when the bees, they they connect this nectar, it's exactly the time when the flower is completely opening, and when it's opening, then the pollen is there, and the bees will create this connection between the different flowers, so they can reproduce themselves. It's because of the bees. So it's there is this very delicate combination of these vital juices with this concentration of color of the pollen, which is actually like a microcosm of the color of the sun that we have that is the main source of light and color in the solar system. At the center of the flower is this pollen that the bee will collect also when she's drinking the nectar. So the honey will be the mix that the bees are doing from this nectar and from the pollen and from the saliva of the bees, because to produce the honey they will go and share this mix from each other's mouth. So it's a collective process. So there's this idea of concentrated juices, vitality, that connects us with our sexual juices, our base root energy, that to rise our juices. So that's the first element. That's why honey is giving us so much strength, so much power. And the second thing is this pollen, this delicate concentrated juice powder, is giving us a very strong nourishment. It's like this even the color that we have in the blood. This is coming, the Pitta element in this Ayurveda. It's the fire that gives us the color of our blood. And this is wherever there is a strong color, there is a strong potentiality for intensity of life and going completely embracing the totality of life. So this is the second element with the pollen. We have this very nutritive aspect. And the third aspect is this distance between the flowers. The bee is covering the distance. So it's like when you take the honey, you will also have this effect that you have the distance between the flowers, and you also have this idea that it is a collective process. It's not only one bee. The honey is the result of the collective process of the bee. So what you have, this third aspect, it gives you like what we call in yoga, we call it the tantra, the whole field, the map, the crossroads of magnetic fields. So it gives you like a matrix, access to the flowing of light in the matrix, creating links between things that apparently are not connected. So that's the third aspect of of the bee. So you see, you have the three aspects in the honey. You have the Brahma aspect, like the rising energy aspect, the ignition process, the vital juices coming up. That's the first thing. Then you have this very nourishing Vishnu, aspect, very, very deep nourishment. And then you have the third aspect that is much more the Vata aspect, that is giving us a lot of sensitivity of the magnetic field. And altogether, that makes honey a very, very good ingredient for the immune system, because this is giving us strength and sense of boundaries also, because with this connection to the magnetic field, we have a better understanding and alignment where is our frequency and where the frequency match. So there is this sense of intuition that is also kindled with the when you eat this honey. So you see, you have these different aspects. We go deeper into what the application of it in other videos, but that already give us an idea of the preciousness, the quality of honey. So,